Welcome back, and my name is still Olaoluwadaremi, and you're still
Arómirẹ.
Okay, so good to have you here again. And this time around, I'll be asking you. We all have seen the cover of the book, and we all have seen how beautiful is it. Shout out to
Designer.
Yeah, a big shout out to her because she did a very, very, very good job. Like the design of the book, the design of the cover is everything you need to see. So tell us, like, what really brought out that design? What was the idea behind it? What was your aim?
Well, I believe that when you are working on a project, every aspect of the project, every element of the project must always be able to pass a message. And I believe that every creative is a god in his or her own capacity. So when it came to the idea of the cover, I just had to reach out to a designer, and I entrusted her with the entire creative process. So it was not me really, checkmating. So I mean, whatsoever the cover output is should I say, a combination of our own ideas after reading the book itself.
Oh, she got to read the
exactly.
book.
So
I'm jealous of her.
Well, so I guess that informed our creative process, and as it should be, she came out with a great design.
I agree to that because she did a very, very good job. Like, the cover is everything a cover of a book should be.
Right.
She did amazing. So what else? What do you think people should expect from the release of the cover? Because now that the cover is out, the cover alone, as you said, we should judge this book by its cover.
Right.
So now, if we are judging the book by its cover, it's obvious we are going to have a very good book. But like, from this cover, what's the next step? What should we expect as your audience about the book?
Well, all there is to expect is anytime soon the release information should drop, and there is a plan ahead for a physical event in regards of the book. Because I mean, when you come to look at it, we are not just creating a book. We are not just writing a Yoruba novel. We are reviving a conversation that has been long abandoned. And that is the conversation of Yoruba literature as a whole, fading gradually after the passing away of the likes of Fagunwa, Akinwumi Shola, Adebayo Faleti, and the likes. The market has been left untapped, but there are still people writing in the language. There are still people who wake up, write in the language, and keep this note under their shelf because they feel people do not want to read in the local languages anymore. The only way we can foster that conversation, foster that reading culture, and equally make sure that the heart of Yoruba literature itself is not dead, is by reviving that conversation, by creating art in that same form, raising it a notch higher, and going forward to create conversations as this around it.
That's beautiful to know. So thank you very much for your time.
My absolute pleasure.